back to Vegas, Gabe. I have a cool video for you today. I'm actually at Polo Towers, which is on the Vegas Strip. It's actually built in 1991. It has recently been acquired by Hilton, so it's part of the Hilton brand now. But I'm here. I got a room here for one night. Check it out. I just wanted a cool option to show you guys that's not the typical names that you see on the Strip, just to show you different options that you have here in Vegas. So I'm inside the room. I'll show you kind of what you see when you first walk in. So let's flip it around. Here's the main entrance right here. Now it's kind of funky. Now there's two parts of this room, like A and B, because I think it's used as a timeshare as well. So that's only if you had both sides of it, but we only have this side. And then this door actually doesn't open, so I have no idea what it is. Kind of funky. Other than that, you have a little mini kitchenette. So you do have a little mini sink. You have a coffee maker. It does come with coffee, including decaf. You have a fridge. Decent sized fridge right here. You can put stuff in it. The cool thing about it also is it does come with, you can, wash your own dishes and stuff like that. Up here, it does come with some stuff you might need. Glasses, some plates and stuff, coffee mugs, some rags. You do have silverware up here too. And let's check out the rest of the room now. Alright, so we just finished looking at the little kitchenette area, I should say. Oh, there's also a microwave, I should point out. Got a little mirror right there for decoration. You got your TV. You have a bed. I believe this is a queen bed, but it seems pretty nice bed. I will say the room does smell like it's recently remodeled. You have some dresser space right here. I don't know what that space is supposed to be for, but that's there. You do have like a little makeup area right here. Also some chargers, so it has your chargers and stuff right here. Another mirror. Now in here you have just a basic closet. You have a safe. All of you that like a safe, there you go. Ironing board, iron, some hangers. And then other than that, the bathroom. Oh, another mirror, I guess I should point out. And then you have your bathroom right here. So pretty typical stuff. You have body lotion right here. Gives you some soap, your towels. More towels down there. And then you have your shower. So there you go. It is a decent sized shower. It comes with your essentials in there as well. And now I will show you my favorite part of the room. This is pretty cool though. So if you didn't know this, most places in Vegas actually don't let you have a balcony anymore for safety reasons. This one has a balcony that you can actually walk outside to. This is literally probably my favorite part of the hotel. So it has a decent sized balcony in here. I mean, a few people can be out here no problem. So this is a cool place that I would love to just bring a couple of beers and just be out here and enjoying it, especially nice weather like today. But yeah, anyway, I'll show you around. So this one has, I wouldn't say the best view, but it has a decent view. Let's see what we can see from here. MGM Grand. Let's see. I'm trying to think of anything else that we can see that's worth mentioning. I believe this one's actually a Marriott. Yeah, there you go. It's a Marriott. You can see I think is it? Actually, I don't know what the other one is, but yeah, you can see Elara down there. Elara is actually part of the Hilton brand as well. So this is pretty cool. Imagine just drinking your morning coffee out here, kind of absorbing the view. They're used to the monorail passing by. Or even like tonight, I'm gonna have a couple of beers out here and just enjoy it. I might even live stream later, we'll see. But really cool view. So this is probably my favorite part of the room right here. But I will show you the outside too, kind of, because you are right in the heart of the Strip. It's literally a perfect location. So I will show you around the Strip too, and kind of show you exactly where it's located. But yeah, Polo Towers, built in 1991, recently acquired by Hilton. You can kind of see their pole right here. Sorry, it's different on the camera, but the pole looks like it's on their fourth floor of the Marriott property right there. You can see a really big TV as well. Anyway, we'll go walk around on the Strip a little bit so I can just show you exactly on the Strip where we're at. But really great location. Nice rooms with a mini kitchenette. And I just got the very basic room. There are nicer rooms with a bigger kitchen and stuff. But for me, for one night, this was perfect just to show you all what it's about. But I will stop talking. Let's go and check out the location of it better.
hacerte el amor en la cama, porque tú sabes que tú eres mi dama. Ey, tienes día que te gusta, tú sabes que tú eres mi princesa, yeah, yeah. Vente pa' acá, mamá, tú sabes que yo soy de una alma. Quiero atentarte en mis brazos, darte lo que quieras, mi amor, no perdóname. Saliendo todos los días con mis panas, fumando marihuana, bebiendo y pimpeando, jangueando. Yo sé que eso a ti no te gusta. Saliendo todos los días con mis panas, fumando marihuana, bebiendo y pimpeando, jangueando. Yo sé que eso a ti no te gusta. Tú y yo, en la cama tú y yo, quiero hacerte el amor. En la cama tú y yo, quiero hacerte el amor. En la cama tú y yo, hasta el amanecer, quiero hacerte el amor. Tú y yo, tú y yo, tú y yo, tú y yo, tú y yo.
All right, everyone, welcome. So it's basically the next morning. We slept in here last night. I gotta say, the beds was comfortable. There's a coffee maker, so we were able to make coffee and everything. One thing I wanted to mention though is that see this construction down here? There's construction clearly happening past 1:30 a.m. So if you're a light sleeper, that might bother you right now. Keep in mind it's only temporary, so that's not a big deal. But if you are a light sleeper, it might bother you a little bit. Other than that, though, it was a pretty comfortable stay. Let's get a kind of a quick look right now during the daytime now. Or I should say in the morning, not daytime. You can actually see the airport from here too. It's kind of cool. But yeah, other than that, overall quality stay. But yeah, if you're a light sleeper, the construction down there might bother you. Right now, that's actually pretty quiet. But like I said, I was live streaming last night, about 11 something. I started hearing the construction there last night, so just be aware of that. Like I said, it's only temporary though.